Hello, friends. In this video, we learn how to speak English fast and easy with a simple daily life story, My Favorite Toy. The story uses very short sentences and common daily words. You can read, listen, and repeat after me. This will help you speak good English, speak fast English, and speak with confidence. Let's start and enjoy learning English. Step by step.
My toy is a little car. It is red. It is shiny. It has black wheels. It looks fast. I got it on my birthday. My dad gave it to me. He smiled. He said, "This is for you." I jumped with joy. I opened the box. I saw the car. I touched it. It felt smooth. It was perfect. I put the car on the floor. I pushed it slowly. The car rolled fast. I laughed. I clapped my hands. My mom smiled too. She said, "You love it." I said, "Yes, Mom, I love it." I played for hours. I did not stop. I made car sounds. "View room," I said. The car went here. The car went there. In my room, I made a road. I used books. I used pencils. I used blocks. I made a street. The car ran on the road. It went left. I went right. It stopped at the block. It started again. I was the driver. I was the boss. The car listened to me. It was my world. I felt proud. Every day, I play with my car. In the morning, I play. In the afternoon, I play. In the night, I play too. I never get bored. Sometimes I play alone. Sometimes my friend joins. His name is Sam. He also has a toy. It is a blue car. We race. Red car versus blue car. We count. 1, 2, 3. Go. We push the cars. The cars run fast. We laugh loud. Sometimes I win. Sometimes Sam wins. We don't fight. We clap for each other. We say, "Good job." It feels so good. The toy makes us happy. The toy makes us friends. I don't leave my toy anywhere. I keep it safe. I have a small box. It is red too. I put my car in it. No want it to break. I don't want it to get lost. I close the box. I smile. I sleep happy. When I wake up, I open the box. I see my car. I touch it again. I feel peace. One day, I took my car outside. The sun was bright. The sky was clear. I put the car on the ground. I pushed it gently. The car rolled on the street. It was fast. It was fun. I ran after it. I laughed loudly. Some kids saw me. They smiled. They said, "Nice car." I said, "Thank you." They wanted to play too. We made a big race. 5 kids joined. 5 cars raced. We counted. 1, 2, 3, go. All cars rolled fast. My car ran straight. It went so far. I shouted, "Go, go." The kids cheered. We had fun together. I have a small brother. His name is Ben. He is little. He is cute. He loves my car too. One day, he cried. He wanted my toy. I gave it to him. He smiled. He stopped crying. He pushed the car. Slowly. He said, "Vroom." He laughed. He clapped his hands. He was happy. From that day, I shared my toy. Ben and I played together. We laughed together. We felt close. One rainy day, I looked outside. The rain was heavy. The street was wet. The sky was gray. I could not go out. I felt sad. I wanted to play. I wanted to race my car, but I stayed inside. Then I had an idea. I made a racetrack. I used chairs. I used books. I used a long rope. The track was big. The car rolled inside. It went left. It went right. It never stopped. I forgot the rain. I forgot the sadness. I only saw my toy. I only heard vroom. I felt joy again. One day, something happened. The wheel of my car broke. It was small. It was loose. It did not move. I felt sad. I wanted to cry. My toy looked weak. My toy could not roll. I sat quietly. My dad saw me. He came near. He asked, "What happened?" I showed him the car. I said, "It broke." Dad took the car. He looked at it. He smiled. He said, "Don't worry." He fixed it slowly. He used glue. He used care.